Any other myths that you would want to talk about? For example, you have learned so much, right?
So a couple of myths I'll talk about. One is this obsession with all-time highs.
Okay.
So I'll tell you, Sensex made all.
What is all-time high? Can you explain
in
that?
markets? So like Sensex made an all-time high of somewhere around between 20 and 21,000 in 2007. Then it crashed around 50%, I think. Sensex came down to below. It was Choti Diwali, I can tell you, of 2008, and we were in the office, and the markets actually Sensex fell below 8,000 intraday. But over the next 3 years, it bounced again back to 20,000. So a lot of people have this myth that markets are again at all-time high. Let me not invest at all-time high. So. Okay, in absolutes it's at all-time high, but you have to look at it in relative purpose. What was the Sensex P in 2007 and what is the Sensex P now? So the same thing is I think unfolding now. We are again back near all-time high, but in terms of P, I think around 18-19 forward P now, while it was 22 or 23 in I think 2021 November or October when we made that all-time high. This is one myth which a lot of people have. Then again, with all-time high, a lot of people try and figure out stocks which at all-time lows, 52-week lows. One needs to understand, even I have fallen for that times. So one needs to understand a stock is falling for a reason. And there is nothing stopping a stock from hitting new 52-week low every other day. You look at names at Future Retail, which unfortunately I had in my portfolio. And in terms of all-time high, there is nothing stopping a stock from making new all-time highs. So again, to give you an example, this company called Nvidia. So last month it became $1 trillion company.
Yeah.
So its market cap I think peaked at 700 billion in 2021, crashed 60-65% last year. So it's all-time high and all-time low. They're just a number. You look at the company's prospects to look at the valuation. So this is the second myth. The third myth, if we have time, I'll just tell you one more. A lot of investors had this myth of having buying mutual fund in an IPO because their NAV is 10 and they feel there's a bigger probability of it going up because the NAV is low.
Got it.
So again, this is something very basic. Stocks or even mutual fund, they don't go up in absolute, they go up in percentage. So if the 10 NAV price is 10%, it became 11. If 100 NAV rises 10%, it becomes 110. So this is one myth which I have come across people.
Investments in debt securities are subject to risks. Read all the offer related documents carefully.